Here is a basic procedure for gram staining. As always, be sure to use good aseptic technique. Begin by spreading a small amount of your sample, a loopful of liquid culture or part of a colony, thinly onto a microscope slide. Then let the slide air dry. Next, heat fix your sample by passing it quickly through the flame a couple of times. Now, flood the slide with crystal violet and let it sit about a minute. Now rinse the slide with water. Avoid spraying directly on the bacteria. This could remove them from the slide. Instead, try to hit the top of the slide and let the water flow down over your sample. Now flood the slide with iodine and let sit another minute. The iodine forms a complex with the crystal violet that's retained by gram positives, but not by gram negatives. Now rinse away the iodine with water. Next, briefly decolorize with alcohol until it runs clear. This should not take more than about 15 seconds. Alcohol removes crystal violet iodine complexes from gram negatives more easily, but if you go too long, gram positives will also lose the stain. Rinse again with water. Now flood the slide with the counterstain, safranin, and let this sit another minute. Now do your final rinse with water. If there are any drops of dye sticking to the back of the slide, this is a good time to rinse them away. Now let your slide air dry. Alternatively, you can use bibulous paper to gently blot the slide dry. Once it's dry, the slide is ready to view.